how to edit and change your first name on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit and change your first name easy and quick. First open VK and now click this icon here, click on your profile and then click these 3 points and click edit profile, and here we'll find personal info. Click on it, and once you're here you will find first name. Just click on it and manage it, then click this icon in top corner and wait, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.